It's trending because Neil Mohan dropped his annual letter on January 21st, 2026, and the big talking point everyone latched onto was him calling out AI slop, that flood of cheap, repetitive, low-effort AI-generated videos that's been ruining feeds everywhere. In the letter, he says the rise of AI has raised concerns about low-quality content, aka A-slop. To fight it, they're building on their old spam and clickbait systems that already work well. Basically, the same filters that punish trashy, repetitive stuff now also hit mass-produced AI garbage. The goal is keeping the platform enjoyable, so people actually want to stick around. He stresses AI is a tool for expression, not a replacement for creators. More than 1 million channels were already using YouTube's AI tools every day last December, and they're rolling out new ones like making shorts with your own likeness or text-to-game stuff. But he makes it clear, real creators with personality and effort still win, because viewers decide what stays hot. No special human authenticity boost in the algorithm. It's still all about watch time, engagement, and quality. They're just demoting the obvious junk to protect the experience. That's why it blew up. Everyone hates the slop, and the CEO finally named it.